They ask, what is QUBIC? But that's the wrong question. The better question is, what does it want? Because QUBIC is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a protocol, a process, a system that doesn't beg for hype because it doesn't need you to believe in it to function. It only needs you to compute. QUBIC is what happens when decentralization gets smarter. It's not built on Ethereum. It doesn't run on smart contracts. It doesn't care about layer ones, layer twos, or the next meta. It's built to run logic, not just record it. At its core, QUBIC is a decentralized compute protocol. It distributes small pieces of code called qubits across the network. These qubits are executed by nodes that participate in something called quorum-based asynchronous consensus. In other words, it doesn't need all nodes to agree at once. It doesn't wait. It moves fast, parallel, efficient. And as it moves, it grows. Because QUBIC is also tied to proof-of-work mining, not for itself, but for Monero. That's right, QUBIC leverages your machine to mine Monero, the most private coin in existence. But instead of handing you the XMR, it converts the value into QUBIC, rewarding those who contribute real computational power, not idle speculation. Every week it runs a cycle called a Quern. A new supply is minted, some is burned, some is distributed, but only to those who committed their tokens. It doesn't matter if the price is up or down. QUBIC doesn't respond to hype. It responds to compute. You can't buy your way to the top. You can't fake your way into rewards. You either participate or you get left behind. It is not governed by VCs. There is no foundation. There is no team. Just a name. CFB, the architect. And the protocol itself, autonomous, lean, and expanding. QUBIC doesn't care if you understand it. It doesn't care if influencers ignore it. It will keep spreading through CPUs, through cycles, through silence, and one day it may be everywhere, running beneath the surface of everything, absorbing compute, rewarding code, and burning what it doesn't need. So what is QUBIC? It's what happens when crypto evolves past clout and becomes infrastructure. You weren't supposed to find this, but now that you have a choice. Observe, ignore, or participate. Whatever you decide, stay anonymous.